Now, a lot of people have questions about the undamaged portion of this verbiage. So what this means, what we are looking for in a core is a rebuildable core. That is what we use to rebuild the engine or transfer case or transmission for the next person. So if you have a transfer case that the drive shaft blew a hole in, or if you threw a rod through your block, that is not a rebuildable core. That means that you likely will have to pay some type of a court charge up front. This is something you need to discuss in depth with your salesperson at the time of the purchase. We do completely understand that you are not replacing something unless it's broken. So we aren't expecting everything to be in working order. Essentially, what we are saying here is that if there are holes or cracks in the engine block itself or in the transfer case itself, then you likely will not get full credit for the core upon its return.